Hi, today we will solve the IIT JEE 1978 question. Solve 2 log a to the base x plus log a to the base ax plus 3 log a to the base b equal to 0, where a is greater than 0 and b is equal to a square x. First of all, we will apply the base changing formula on this side of the equation. The base changing formula states that log b to the base a is equal to 1 by log a to the base b. Here we will apply this base changing formula on log a to the base x. So when we apply it will be 1 by log x to the base a. And here 2 is in multiplication with this. So it will be 2 by log x to the base a. And we will do this on log a to the base ax and 3 log a to the base b. Now we will put the value of b, which is a square x. So this b will be a square x. Now we will apply the product law of logarithm over here and over here. The product law of logarithm states that log bc to the base a is equal to log b to the base a plus log c to the base a. When we apply the product law over here, it will be log a to the base a plus log x to the base a. And here we know that log a to the base a is equal to 1. So this will be 1. So here in this denominator, 1 plus log x to the base a will come. And here when we apply, it will be log a square to the base a plus log x to the base a. Now we will apply power rule on log a square to the base a. The power rule states that log b square to the base a is equal to 2 log b to the base a. And when we apply power rule on log a square to the base a, it will be 2 log a to the base a. And log a to the base a is equal to 1. So it will be 2 multiply 1, which equals 2. So in the denominator, it will be 2 plus log x to the base a. Now let us assume that log x to the base a is equal to y. So let us rewrite the expression. Here don't forget to write equal to 0 because in question there is equal to 0. Now we will take LCM of the denominators and do cross multiply. So after taking LCM and cross multiplying, this result will come. Now we will multiply these. Now after simplifying, we get this quadratic equation. Now we will factorize this quadratic equation. 11y will become 3y plus 8y. Now we will take common out of 6y square plus 3y and 8y plus 4. Now we will take 2y plus 1 common. Now we will find out the two values of y. So first value of y is minus 4 by 3. So the second value of y is minus 1 by 2. Now we will put these values equal to what we have assumed as y. Let's check what we have assumed as y. Here we have assumed log x to the base a as y. So we will do log x to the base a equal to minus 4 by 3 and log x to the base a equal to minus 1 by 2. Now, according to the exponential definition of logarithm, this log x to the base a equal to minus 4 by 3 will be x equal to a to the power minus 4 by 3. And same for this, it will be x equal to a to the power minus 1 by 2. This is the solution of this question. Thanks for watching.